Morning. Welcome to Flannel Hill Farm. So today we were going to get the rock dealt with, but I got an email this morning that said, hey, your order from Home Depot is on the way, which is a pallet full of insulation to insulate the shed. So, I believe Big K is doing what he can with that until we get another email saying you're next on the list for delivery, because then he's going to need the pallet forks. So, I spread some ash on the garden today. I only did about the first 5-6-ish rows. We have 26 rows. So I only had ash for the first 6. I gotta look into finding a burn barrel so that we can start burning some of this cardboard and some of this wood that we've dug up. And then we can use wood ash. Is actually very good for chickens. Hey! Come here. What are you doing? No. No. Lonnie. No. No. Hey. We're barking at nothing. Hold, please. Are you done? Can I continue with what I'm doing now? Okay. So, we have insulation on the way. Wood ash is very good for chickens because chickens they like dust baths. Well, if you give them wood dust is harmful to parasites. So, if you have chickens or if you're going to get chickens and you have a wood fire, save your ash for chicken dust baths. So this is going to start being planted on the 16th of this month, 19th of this month. I think it's the 19th. So we have that to do. We have grass to cut with George, which is probably not going to happen today because of the rain. Next, we have anchors to put down for keeping the shed in place. We also I have to crawl up there and get little shim boards to finish the other 2 supports that I have. What else we got? I got the horseshoes that I was cleaning off. I have rock to spread. Oh, we got to finish the stairs. So the stairs that we had, we now have to redo once we get rock in here. So we have that. We still have lean-tos to put up. But I think fencing is going to go before the lean-tos now. Because Beagle. He's friendly, and the neighbors, like our neighbor came over a couple days ago to talk to Kevin. And he's like, yeah, Bentley ends up by us, and my wife talks to him, and then we hear you yelling for him, and he takes off and comes back, and I was like, oh my gosh. And he was like, no, it's fine, he's super friendly, everybody loves him, our granddaughter loves him, blah, 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 and I was like, not the point, but I'm glad everybody likes him. Sweet dog. He is a sweet dog. Hims is a sweet guy. She's sweet too, unless you're a possum or you startle me, then she's not so sweet anymore. But it's only gonna be like 88 today, so we're all pretty excited. You're doing a wonderful job. So that's what we're working with. I clearly need more caffeine and spreading rock, receiving insulation, and then probably putting insulation in because I don't want that sitting out. Although now we don't have rain in the forecast until Sunday. Monsters, look at your dirty paws. Oh, muggers, you got dirty paws. You don't care. Say hi to the people. Can you say hi to our friends? No, you can't say hi to our friends? Hey. Pipsqueak. Monkey. Oh, hi. Where are you going? Where are you going? I don't understand. Am I missing something? Do you see how far they went? I don't know. All right. And then he creates barking. All right. On your way back down the hill. If we get insulation and we start putting it in today, I will make sure to record it, because apparently I don't record enough of my manual labor. Oh boy. Now he's gonna chase birds. Do I have enough new people? Do we have enough new viewers that haven't seen this happen? This is ridiculous. Bentley is offended at birds landing in his presence. Regardless if it's our property or a public park down by the lake that we live by, doesn't matter. He gets offended by birds landing in his presence. So he chases them off and barks at them, and okay. So yes, I will start recording more of my manual labor. I apologize. I did not realize that you all wanted to see me sweat and do manual labor. But I will start recording that for you. Don't worry. I'm on it. Starting to get a headache again. I should probably go down a bottle of water or something. Alright, on your way back down the hill, if you could like, share, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification, that would be great. I would guess that you will get another video today. It's just an inkling of mine, but I am almost positive you're going to get another video of mine because I will be doing manual labor at some point today. I did finish up a rake. I got a rake. I didn't show you guys that. I'll show that to you in your next video. Have a pleasant descent down the hill. I'll see you back up here later today. I appreciate y'all.